west coast of America continues to experience a crippling drought.
The series of exploding, out-of-control wildfires.
The stresses of drought, water shortages, groundwater depletion, wildfires, and flooding are all exacerbated by the problems of water mismanagement in a damaged hydrologic cycle. Permaculture design provides a pathway to restoring damaged and degraded landscapes, regenerating ecosystems, and designing for a future of clean water abundance and water security. The Permaculture Water Summit is an online event about practical solutions to our water woes. We invite you to join us over 3 days and learn from dozens of professionals and leaders who have been successful in restoring water supplies, stabilizing ecosystems, and bringing hope and resilience to our communities. From India to Alaska and Kenya to Arizona, this summit will inspire you and show you ways that we can face our world's water challenges with greater resilience to drought, flood, and wildfire, and reverse land degradation and regreen the deserts. Most of all, this summit is actionable. It's made by people who will show you how to make an impact no matter where you live and what your budget is. Join the Permaculture Water Summit today and become inspired for your future.